وعليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Sheikh.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Sheikh, I used to notice when I took my wudu because I have many doubts whether took wudu or not, and I know that is wrong, so I stopped that. But and I stopped it since maybe 2 or 3 weeks. But yesterday, Sheikh, I have strong doubts whether I actually take wudu or not, and I ignore this feeling. But I want to ask you if I did I correct or not, or was wrong what I do.
We have a legal maxim or a major fiqhi ruling that states certainty is not affected by doubt. Now, if I woke up in the morning and an hour or two later, I'm doubting, did I make wudu or not? The norm is that certainty, which is I'm not in the state of wudu, cannot be removed by doubting, did I make wudu or not? So the default remains, and I have to go and make wudu and repeat the prayer. The other scenario is certainty is not affected by doubt. I woke up, I made wudu, I prayed Fajr. 4 hours later, I'm thinking, did I break my wudu or not? So the certainty is that I made wudu and I'm still in the state of purity. The doubt is whether I broke it or not. I disregard the doubt and I remain in my certainty and I can perform prayer. For you, it's a different issue. If you are someone who's affected by OCD and you always get these intrusive thoughts that would make you repeat the wudu, repeat the prayer, repeat the Fatiha, repeat everything. If we analyze, usually we find such people having 99.9% certainty that, or gut feeling, that they've done it. But shaitan creeps in with the 0.01% saying, but what if you didn't? Maybe you didn't. Oh, you are confusing yourself. You are brainwashing yourself. You're assuring yourself that you've done it where actually you didn't. So they give in to the whispers of shaitan and they repeat the action. In this case, where a person is suffering from OCD, we say to him, ignore such whispers and act upon your gut feeling. So for 2 weeks, alhamdulillah, you had no issues. If you get a doubt, then most likely that this doubt is genuine, which means that you did not make wudu because it stopped. And I cannot say that you're an OCD patient anymore. But if you have a gut feeling saying that no, 99.9%, I'm sure that I made wudu, and this is just shaitan messing up with my head, then you have to ignore it.